As you have noticed, what I showed you earlier, once again we are at Dad's office. Tonight we're going to draw a kingdra from Pokemon Gold and Silver. Silver and Gold. Kingdra, also codenamed as the Dragon Pokemon, first got his appearance on Pokemon Silver and Pokemon Gold as an evolved series. Once you thought Johto region Pokemon weren't enough, the Kanto region Pokemon deserved the chance to once again evolve. So they decided to evolve the Pokemon, giving them new forms, starting with Kingdra on the other hand. Here's his upper half. It says here, with the arrival of a storm at sea, this Pokemon will show itself on the surface. When a Kingdra and Dragonite meets, a fierce battle ensues. Scales shed by this Pokemon have such splendorous gleam to them that they have been giving royalty as gifts, as seen in Pokemon Gold and Pokemon Silver. Here's Kingdra's special weapon, his fingers. This is his special upper half. Kingdra, once again, was one of the first Dragon-type Pokemon to be revealed in the Johto region. That's the first time I ever got to see that. He knows attacks like Dragon Pulse, Yawn, Water Gun, Smokescreen, Leer, Bubble, and Focus Energy, Bubble Beam, Agility, Twister. Whoa, Twister? I thought it was something Rayquaza knew. I always knew it would come with another form. There's also Brine, Hydro Pump, and Dragon Dance. Anyhow, that is how you draw a Kingdra. Let this be a reminder that we are once again back at Dad's office, and we're drawing more of the best animations these Pokemon have to offer. These guys have to offer. That's all for now. Stegosaurus, see you later. Good night.